Very nice. Gigabyte. Hey. So inside this box we've got the Wraith Prism cooler with RGB lighting. Look at that. So this fan lights up with the RGBs. So here's the CPU. Lovely CPU, I'll say, nice box. So these nice screws here. Come here, screw. So this should be our exhaust fan. Very smooth. Then we've got our 3 inlet fans, and here are all the case screws with the RGB controller. Let's open up that. So for the case back, you need this screwdriver. Oh, just the right size. Comes off nice and easy. So this is for all the cable management we'll need to do. So that will probably be 8-pin power connector from our Thermaltake 700 watt. Other than that, it should be not much more to do until the motherboard arrives. Amazon Prime. Hey, this is all the important stuff, sort of. So we've got the Thermaltake 700 watt RGB power supply. Look at that. TP-Link Wi-Fi card. Corsair Vengence 1x16 GB stick, 3000 MHz. Asus B450 with Elite motherboard. Yeah, that's lovely. And finally, Vega 56. Oh, this is exciting. Remember which way this goes in. And I have to do it quite a bit hard. Okay, that's the RAM installed. Thanks to Gigabyte, they didn't bother putting it pre-installed, they just left it right hidden at the bottom of the box, which obviously you're assembling the motherboard on, which is a very handy thing to do. I'm going to have to take it out again. Put it on top of that quickly. Which one was it, this one? I forgot one already. I'm quite nervous about screw that up. I don't want to do that too tight in case it breaks. And then we've got the screw. We're going to put the M.2 in. Now I'd need a smaller screwdriver. What's that going? No. Tilt a bit. No. All the way over there. There we go. Looking nice. What else are we going to do before we put it in? Line that up. If you can get that this to come around its head. There we go, right, that's the power supply lined up. That's pretty nice, I have to say, and that's the bottom. Turn on the RGB, but that'll shine up through that nice little. Yes! Woohoo! I think that's almost. Right, just installing the drivers. So many different combinations. Spend all day just looking for the RGB setting you want. Ooh, blue. DIY. Add DIY. What does this do? Oh, I was going to go for that one. It's the rainbow.